This divination was made September 3rd, 2023. Neighbors, son, peoples, them, thee, he, my, in, them, pass, found, thou, without, shall, thee, reigned. Kings 2, chapter 3, verse 8. And he said, Which way shall we go up? And he answered, The way of the wilderness of Edom. Joshua chapter 4, verse 2. Take you 12 men out of the people, out of every tribe a man. Kings chapter 11, verse 27. And this was the cause that he lifted up his hand against the king. Solomon built Millo, and repaired the breach of the city of David his father. Ezekiel chapter 36, verse 13. Thus saith the Lord God, Because they say unto you, Thou land art a devourer of men, and hast been a bereaver of thy nations.